Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the environment setup required for developing ASP.NET Core Web API application. In our last video where we have discussed the status code, please go and watch the video because the status code are very important for the ASP.NET Web API application. The tool and software required for development of ASP.NET Core Web API application are: the number one is operating system. Operating system can be a Windows, Mac or Linux. You are free to use any operating system as per your choice. .NET Core is an open source and cross-platform framework, so you can use any type of operating system such as Windows, Mac or Linux for ASP.NET Core Web API application development. I am going to use Windows operating system in this tutorial series. The next one is editor. Editor can be a Visual Studio Editor 29, or you can use the latest version of Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. And I am going to use the Visual Studio 29 because I like the Visual Studio as compared to Visual Studio Code for the development of .NET applications. The next one we have .NET Core Sdk latest version. This is the software development kit, and this kit is helpful for the development and running of the application in the system. So you have to install .NET Core Sdk in your system. The next one is database. The database would be a SQL Server 2019 because we need database for our every application. Without database, our application is useless. So we must use the database. The next one is SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio, which is used to interact with the SQL Server database. Next one we have a API client, which can be a Postman, Fiddler. These are client tools and are used to test the web APIs. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.